Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the location services on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button or the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called privacy and security, this one, and tap on it, and here select the option called location services. And now if you want to disable the location services, you can tap on the switch to flick it off, and if you want to enable them, you can tap on the switch to flick them on. Also, you can scroll down and disable or enable a couple more options like share my location and find my network. And once you're done, you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the location services on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.